Through this video, I'm using pen for demonstration purposes only. This is to ensure that you can see all lines in which I'm creating when marking out. Pen is not used when marking wood, as it stains the wood as the ink from the pen get absorbed from the fibre of the wood. I'm only using the pen for demonstration purposes only so that you can see it, and pencil is always used when marking out. Running the mortise gauge down the piece of material, we position a dot at the end of our marking point. Why do we create this dot? Create this dot to break the fibres of the piece by the pressure in which we press down on the spur into the piece of material. This point creates a finishing point in which the spur can fall into as we come to the end of our marking. It breaks the fibres by pushing the sharp edge into the wood and piercing them, compressing them into the wood. When running the spur down the piece, it is important to keep the spur facing up towards you and push down, providing pressure down the piece. This is very important as it pushes the fibres into the wood and creates a groove along the grain to highlight where you're marking. This happens due to the downward pressure and the forward motion in which you are pushing the spur down the piece of material, as shown in the diagram. When you try to pull the spur up towards you, it's very hard as the spur gets stuck in the piece of material, pulling the fibres up towards you. This is because you're putting downward pressure into the material and pulling the spur up towards you, rising the pieces of fibres out of the wood. This is very bad for the material as it really highlights it when you pull it out of the piece of material.